आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry on the Top where I share my creativity. So let's get started.
So today we are going to make a vintage looking box out of this wooden box. So I have this wooden box, small wooden box from quite a long time, and it has this detailing, a wooden work on it, and it's quite nice. It's not made of a really good quality wood, but that's fine. It's quite durable and also it's a wooden, so I like it. So I bought this Darjeeling premium Darjeeling tea, and with that I got this box. So I'm going to apply a wood stain, a walnut color wood stain, and I'm kind of penetrating it inside that wood. So I'm covering all the parts. So if you can see, it is just going above it, and it is just covering that upper layer, and it's not going inside that detailing. So right now I'm just covering it with a piece of cloth, and I'm applying this wood stain so that it kind of give it a natural darker wood color. I absolutely just love this wood stain because that keeps the natural finish of that wood as it is, and it don't get covered completely, because when we apply a paint it get covered. So it has that nice woodwork, so that stain couldn't go inside. Using this brush, and I am just covering that part which is left and which couldn't get covered. So I have almost covered everything, each and every part of it, and it is completely a wood finish now. Now I have taken a golden color and a flat brush, and I'm just doing a dry brushing technique and not taking a generous amount of paint. I'm just taking a little bit of paint. So if you can see, it is just going on the above layer and it is not going deep inside that detailing. So that's what I wanted, and it's perfectly going right. So doing the same thing, and I'm just covering that all. So this is the close-up look of it, and closely if you can see, it is looking like a vintage wooden box, and it's quite looking nice. And on the edges I have applied some more amount of paint so that it kind of gives a proper dimension to that box, and it's looking really nice in a vintage now. So I have this century paper, a light color century paper, and I'm going to cut a piece of it, and I will just tell you how much I have taken. So it's like nearby 5 inches vertically and 10.5 inches horizontally. So I've taken this Fevicol now, and I'm applying it on one side of this paper, and I'm going to stick this another side above that Fevicol so that these two sides would get stick together. I'm taking a scissor and cutting it from one side. So I have given all the cuts and this is how it looks. I have these wooden skewers and I'm going to take one skewer, and out of one skewer I'm going to make two small sticks for these flowers. So I'm going to cut it and I'm going to make 2-3 sticks out of it. So I'm going to apply this Fevicol again on the edge. And I'm kind of keeping this stick here and just gently rolling the paper. Roll it nicely, gently, and do not leave any distance. So we are making these flowers, paper flower named as origami paper flower. So you can make these flowers with different colors, red, pink, blue, or anything yellow. That would also look really nice. So I have completely rolled it and this is how the flower look. So it sticks completely and our one flower is ready. So I have just attached this wood stick or attached this skewer, this small stick to this flower just to show you. But I don't require this wood stick actually. I just require a flower without a stick. And now I have this cardboard box and I'm going to cut this cardboard box from these sides. So it is going to form a rectangular shape pot, and I'm just cutting. And I am just sticking these edges so it would form perfectly rectangular pot. So this is how it looks once we stick that all pots together. And I'm going to paint it with a black color. I'm using a black color oil paint. You can use an acrylic chalk paint, whichever you have. I'm using an oil paint. On this cardboard box, oil paint won't take much time to get dry. And it is dry completely. Now I have taken this golden color and one simple pointed brush and I am writing a word flower. As I said earlier, I don't need these flowers with this wood stick, so I just made it without a stick. I made these flowers and I didn't attach a stick here. So now I am taking my rectangular pot and I have some colored pebbles, a different color of pebbles and some crystals. So I'm keeping it at the bottom of it. I don't have a green color sponge right now. If you have, you can keep it inside. That would be really great to attach these flowers and to stick these flowers inside. So I'm just arranging these flowers in this pot. And that's done. So I kept this flower and the pot. I kept these flowers near the candle which I made in my one of the video, and that candle is also DIY. And I have paired it up with this vintage box. So if you like this video, please do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. I'll soon come up with another video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.